tears.
This is so no big deal. Alright, you ready?
Yes.
Alright, do I want to put it on a cracker or what?
That's what I did.
Yeah,
Alright.
it's kind of smeared on there.
My 2 daughters.
I didn't put a lot on there. So.
Mavikin chili.
Alright, here we go.
Hottest chili in the world.
Hotter than
She's 2.5
Vindaloo.
and he's 7 months.
Drum roll. Mark, this is for you. This is for you, Mark. Oh gosh.
It is hot like.
I have no
Use your
words.
words, Trish.
I have no. That's good.
It is rough like.
It's good.
So try
I
more.
don't. I don't know that I could keep eating it.
Yeah, you can keep it.
That it doesn't really go away. So it's just kind of staying there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Is it like nothing you've ever had in your whole life?
I wouldn't.
I had 10 minutes so I can still feel it
I was
back.
gonna say.
Is it white like a curta?
White like a kuta, like your white kuta.
Purple like a grape?